What's up and welcome back to the We Are Investing channel, a channel that is dedicated in investing and personal finance. On this video, I want to talk about a small cap advertiser that could generate big gains for investors. In my personal opinion, I think that this is a growth stock that not a lot of people know about, but analysts on Wall Street are loving this stock, and this could be a long-term investment in my personal opinion. So with that being said, on this video, we'll go over the company, we'll take a look at the charts, and then we'll wrap up the video with my overall thoughts. Whether or not this stock is good for a long-term investment, whether or not I see trade potential, and what an ideal entry price would be for this stock. Now, before we proceed any further, please consider hitting that subscribe button, ringing that bell, and smashing that like button. It helps the channel grow a tremendous amount, and I really do appreciate it. And please be aware that there is a Patreon page for this channel that gives you access to a Discord server of around 200 members, and you also get to follow the portfolio in real time. Whenever we open or close a new position, we post on the Patreon and we give a little thesis behind the investment or trade so that you can understand why we got in or out of a given stock. Now, the company that we're going to be talking about on today's video is Magnite. Let me know in the comments down below if you've heard about this company before. I have not. I just found out about it just a couple weeks ago, and it's been on my radar, and I've been wanting to do a video on this stock for quite some time. Now, Magnite is an American online advertising technology firm based in Los Angeles, California. The company formed following a merger between Rubicon Project and Teleria in 2020. And this company trades under ticker symbol MGNI on the NASDAQ. Now, probably the main reason why I like Magnite is because the business that they're in is online advertising, and they're working a lot with companies like Disney Plus and Hulu, and also the growth potential for this stock. Check this out. Magnite's CTV business sees strong growth year over year, driven by increasing CTV viewership, addressable advertising, and strong marketplace demand. Magnite's addressable capabilities and direct integration with leading CTV publishers fuels interest from tech, up 176% year over year for quarter three. Direct to consumer up 159% year over year for quarter three. And CPG is up 86% year over year for quarter three. Advertising verticals. Now, there's going to be a lot of reading off of this press release in this video, but I want you guys to understand the potential here and why I like this stock long term. Now, advertisers are shifting spend to CTV as consumers are cutting the cord. This is inevitable. People are cutting cable and they're going to the streaming providers. This we know. It's been a thing that's happening for quite some time right now, and that's one of the reasons why I'm bullish on this stock, because I can definitely see this trend continuing in the future, and that is going to be good for this company. E-marketers estimated in September that over a third of US households will be unreachable by a pay TV connection by 2024. Magnite enables advertisers to find those audiences across CTV. In fact, advertisers in the technology, direct-to-consumer, and consumer packaged goods verticals running CTV campaigns with Magnite increased their spend by 176%, 159%, and 86% respectively between quarter 3 2019 and quarter 3 2020. Automotive retail technology, CPG, and GTC were the top CTV spend categories on Magnite's platform in quarter 3 2020, with the number of DTC advertisers increasing 130% year over year. The success Magnite has seen in advertiser spend is directly tied to the company's ability to provide scaled inventory with the most premium CTV publishers in fully transparent transactions. 8 of the company's top 10 demand-side platforms more than doubled their CTV spend on Magnite's platform from quarter 3 to quarter 3 2020, and all of the 10 grew year over year. Magnite also saw a 57% increase in CTV ad requests over the same time period. With more and more people cutting the cord and no longer having traditional TV, this is going to benefit Magnite in the long run. And I hope that you can see now why I think there is potential in this stock moving forward, because that is going to be the trend. I strongly believe that more and more people are going to be cutting the cord and switching over to these streaming services like Netflix, Disney Plus, Hulu. There are a ton out there, and people are going to have multiple streaming services instead of traditional TV in the future, and that's happening right now. Now, it's not only me that sees potential in this company, it is also a favorite on Wall Street right now. I heard about this stock on CNBC, and on December 21st, Magnite shares gained 11% after Needham adds to conviction list and raises the price target for Magnite, calling the company a top stock for 2021. Needham adds Magnite to its conviction list, and it replaced Apple stock. And according to an article from Yahoo Finance titled, "Is Magnite, ticker symbol MGNI, a smart long-term buy?" It states that the fund posted a return of 35% net for the quarter, outperforming its benchmark, the S&P 500 index, which returned 8.9% in the same quarter. And also stated within this article is that they are the leading supply side platform and the only player of real scale in each of the CTV, audio, mobile, and desktop formats. Magnite's offering as a true independent and objective omni-channel player positions the company as one of just a few likely winners. And Disney and Hulu recently reiterated they were using Magnite for these exact reasons. The company has impressive growth in revenues and cash flow, and the valuation of just 3x next year's likely revenue seems quite compelling for this stock. So I definitely think that this is a stock that is suited for a long-term investment because of those growth potentials moving forward. However, is right now a good price to get into this stock? Let's take a look at the charts and find out. Alright, if we take a look at the charts, we can see that the stock has been performing really well. Over the last year, the stock is up 277.91%. Over the last month, the stock is up 94.73%. And over the last week, the stock is up 61.64%. The current share price is $32.50. The stock trades under ticker symbol MGNI on the NASDAQ. And the current market cap for this company right now is $3.64 billion. So the market cap is not that high, and I can definitely see the market cap increasing over time. However, the stock has run up a ton, and I never like to chase stocks. So this is a stock that I'm going to add to my watch list. I'm not going to buy this stock just yet. I am going to be waiting for a pullback, and I'll also have to do some more research on my end on what a good entry price would be based off of valuation. However, based off the charts, we are soaring right now, so I would expect a pullback coming soon, and that would be a good opportunity to open up a starting position in MGNI, because I can definitely see this stock continue to increase over time because of all of the reasons that we went over on this video. The business is strong, it has great future prospects, and the valuations, according to some analysts, are undervalued right now. However, I would like to double check that valuation myself. I need to find competitors in the same space and check their market cap, check their multiples, and see how MGNI compares to those companies before I go heavy in this stock at a certain price. Now, with all that being said, guys, I am not telling you what to do in this video. I am just giving you my personal opinion and what I plan to do with MGNI. Now, that pretty much wraps it up for this video. If you liked it, please consider hitting that subscribe button, ringing that bell, and smashing that like button. And if we do open a position in MGNI, I will post on the Patreon. If you're a Patreon member, you will find out as soon as we open a position in MGNI or any other stock. But with all that being said, guys, that wraps it up for this video. I thank you so much for your time. It's been real, it's been fun, it's been real fun, and this is We Are Investing, and together we are invincible. See ya!